iPad turn off notifications when locked. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can turn off iPad notifications when it's locked. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you might get notifications, you only want them on your home tab but not whenever you are on your lock screen, right? So in order to make this possible, it's also quite simple. Just open the settings application. On the left hand side, you can simply go to notifications. Now when you go to notifications, you might find the option of lock screen, but in case you don't find the lock screen option, don't worry. At the very top, you'll also find an option called show previews. You can tap on show previews, and then here you can see when unlocked only. So when you set this to when unlocked only, you will receive notifications, but you will only able to see them when your phone is actually unlocked. Sorry, your iPad is actually unlocked. So this way you can turn off notifications when locked, or you can just set this to never. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.